So for this DIY, you're going to need an assortment of pumpkins. I have the white one and the teal ones. You're going to need several different embellishments, glitter, pearls, German glass, glitter, brooches from Totally Dazzled, your hot glue gun, some quick fix-its, some scissors, and I'm just going to start off by taking the tags off of the pumpkins, and then I'm going to proceed to decorate the pumpkins different ways. So I know, guys, when you look at the pumpkins, I think it's going to be 7 total. So I want you to go down in the description box and let me know which pumpkin was your favorite. And so the first one is a turquoise one, and I'm using the quick all. It fits it because I have the what is that called? I'm using glitter and the mirror glass, crushed glass for it. So if you are not subscribed yet, I would ask you to hit that subscribe button and then the bell, so you won't never miss an upload from us. And we are a family here, so we would love to have you. So now I am doing a white pumpkin, and I'm using iridescent glitter. I'm using silver, chunky silver glitter, and I am using fine silver glitter. And I think that will be all for that one. And you know, you just play around with them and have fun. So you can see I'm sprinkling the fine glitter around it, but they sparkle really good. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it has a awesome sparkle to it. I had so much fun doing this. It was so relaxing to just pick different things to put on your pumpkin. And this is a teal one, and I think I'm going to do this in all gold. Now I'm going to start off by just putting gold glitter on this one, but later on when you see it again, I'm going to put some crystals on it because I just thought it looked really plain. So I'm going to be quiet and I'm going to let you guys look at me decorate the pumpkins, and I may come back in periodically to talk to you guys. So enjoy. So now I'm doing another pumpkin and teal glitter and teal pumpkin, and I'm using iridescent glitter. I'm using chunky iridescent glitters, and I am going to put some pearls on this, and I will be using a Totally Dazzled brooch on this one as well. Guys, this has to be one of my favorites, but the Totally Dazzled brooch was really heavy on it, but it came out well. And then this one is going to be a crystal one. I'm gonna use individual crystals on it, and also I will be using another totally dazzled brooch on this one as well. And I'm using the fix all here so that it can be a permanent hold. And so I'm just gonna continue to take it's a pen that I'm using. I'm putting a little bit of Mod Podge on the end of it and dipping it in there. And I'm using crushed glass for the stem of it. Now this one right here, I can't tell, but I know this one is high up on my list that I really like. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So here we went back to the all gold one to put some gold bling on it. I feel like the gold was just too plain, so I found some gold crystals and I'm putting those all on it, and I think it gave it a little bit more but I think maybe this one is probably my least favorite, but I like it all the same. But it doesn't like jump out at me and like the one that we just did. I just did with the pearls and beads and stuff on it. So you let me know down in the comment, is this one of your favorites, or let me know what your favorite is. Now here we have a white one. Now I really like this one. What I did, I took some royal blue German glass glitter, I took some silver fine glitter and some gold fine glitter, and I mixed it all together, and then I sprinkled it on the pumpkin. Now you would think it was going to look plain, but I think this ended up being one of my faves, top 3 as well. So let me know what you would have decorated yours with. Would you have used the same thing? What would be something that I could decorate with that I didn't decorate with here? Let me know down in the description box, and let me know what your fall tablescape is going to look like. I am going for a rustic glam look for my fall, so it's going to have a lot of sparkle, but it's going to have some rustic parts on it as well. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's simple yet elegant, and I love it. I love the way it came out. Now here's the last one, guys. And if this is not my fave, then it has to be number 2. I think it's the pearl one, the rhinestone ones, and this one. Those are my top 3. And this one right here, I have iridescent rhinestones, and I am putting it all around the stem, and then I am going to go down with them in each one and making like the little dips and grooves of the pumpkin. And guys, this is so sparkly. The only thing I don't look at it. Look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous, guys. That is so gorgeous. And that's the glitter and the German and the what you call that one? Oh, this is the silver one, and this is the iridescent with the pearl with the totally dazzled brooch. That's the blue, silver, and gold one, and this is the all gold with the gold gems on it. Now this one I really love. This is the individual pearls, individual gems. Now look at those, guys. Now you tell me down in the comment section which one of those beauties is your favorite, and tell me also what you would have decorated yours with. So guys, you will see these guys on our fall tablescape. So guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Share this with some of your family members and help them, let them become a part of our YT family. And guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. Bye-bye.